Hello everybody, thank you for joining me and welcome to this video, which is about the differences between Vedic astrology and Western astrology. Although both systems are based on the 12 zodiac signs, there are some differences. As you know, astrology is the study of the effects of the planets depending on their locations with respect to the Earth. Vedic astrology is based on the stars, fixed stars. This is why it is called as the Sidereal Zodiac. Sidereal refers to the star-like or constellations. Vedic astrology uses a system in which positions of planets are calculated based on where they are actually observed in the sky in respect of constellations. However, Western astrology is based on the position of the sun. This system relies on the four seasons, which represents the sun's movement, solstices, and equinoxes. As you know, the Earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit, and there are 4 points in the orbit: the summer and winter solstices, the spring and autumn equinoxes. When the center of the sun is 0 degree in Aries, the Earth is on the spring equinox. But this is not fixed and it moves along the orbit. This is called as a precession of the equinoxes, or ayanamsa in other words. So the Aries of Western astrology is drifting away from the Aries of Vedic astrology at a rate of 1 degree every 72 years. About 2,000 years ago, both tropical and sidereal signs were in the same position. But because of this ayanamsa, the precession of equinoxes, this change starts to get bigger. As of today, 2020, the difference is 24 degrees, according to an Indian astrologer and guru Lahiri's ayanamsa. So this ayanamsa is used and approved by the state of India, and it is also applied by many traditional Vedic astrologers. Another difference between Vedic astrology and Western astrology is the use of planets. Vedic astrology uses 9 planets, 2 of which are shadowy planets. These planets are the Moon, the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and the 2 shadowy planets, the 2 nodes of the Moon, Rahu and Ketu. Western astrology also uses Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Moreover, Vedic astrology uses 27 nakshatras or lunar mansions, whereas Western astrology doesn't use it. Another difference between these 2 astrological systems is muhurta. Vedic astrology uses muhurta technique in order to make future predictions. For example, if you want to get married or make a job application, we use this technique, but Western astrology doesn't have this technique. Another difference is their emphasis on the sun and the moon. Vedic astrology gives more emphasis to the moon, in other words, to the nature of the soul. It is also possible to make predictions based on the moon sign. However, Western astrology gives more emphasis to the sun. This means it gives more emphasis to the personality and characteristics of an individual. Another difference between the 2 is the use of the house system. Vedic astrology uses the whole sign system, where the first house is occupied by the sign of the ascendant, or lagna. However, Western astrology uses many different types of house systems. And One more important difference is the use of time system in order to make predictions. Western astrology uses dasha system. However, Western astrology doesn't have this system. It studies planetary transits based on their advances and movements. I hope this video has been useful. Hope to see you soon.